So this is the third pharmacy preparation that we are going to discuss. Before to this practical, particularly the pharmacy preparation, we already discussed about the compounding and dispensing of ointment, then powder, and this is the third one in the pharmacy preparation is the compounding and dispensing of the mixtures that we are going to discuss. I think we all have gone through the mixture and we have seen it. So when you are going through the mixture, even though you are knowing how the mixture looks, how the consistency looks, how it appears, half of the definition you have to define about the mixture. So first about the mixture, this is the pharmacy preparation. Okay, so important thing, this is a pharmacy preparation, and second thing is the liquid preparation, and that is aqueous. And for internal use, I mean for oral use, in which the medicaments, the compound, the drug are either in dissolved form or suspended form is called mixture. So you have to sum up these all points that we already discussed and then define it, that the mixture is a pharmacy preparation, that is aqueous liquid preparation, in which the compound are suspended or dissolved and that are used for oral administration or for internal use is called mixture. And because this is usually we are going to use water, particularly distilled water, then this is the aqueous liquid preparation. So that about the definition of the mixture. So before going to define any pharmacy preparation, you have to go through the consistency, how it look and where you are going to use, and after accumulation of these things you have to define that particular pharmacy preparation. So this is about the definition. Now we have to go through some more point about the mixture. Usually in the mixture we are using a substance that act as thickening agent or that may act as a suspending agent. So usually a thickening agent or a suspending agent that are going to suspend more than 2 or more chemical, that we are going to call it suspending agent, or that is also going to thicken the mixture, thicken the liquid. So this is also called thickening agent, and this is very very interesting and important. When we are not going to use this thickening agent or suspending agent, the two substances that we have used or more than 2 substances that we have used, it may not be easily diffused together. So for diffusing together we are going to use suspending, or this is going to keep the agent, the chemical, the substance of the pharmacy preparation is in suspended form, and for that we are using carboxymethyl cellulose. So what is this carboxymethyl cellulose? Is it as suspending agent or thickening agent, and that we are using to diffuse to insoluble substance in a mixture is called suspending or thickening agent. So this will become very very interesting and important. Now the important point about the mixture is that usually mixture have very short life, that is about few weeks. So this is interesting. Why? Because you have kept these chemicals together in liquid form. So liquid drugs are having usually the short half-life. So that is not only that, the substances that we are using in this mixture are usually insoluble, and therefore the lives are short life, and it is only going to be kept for few weeks. So this is very, very important. Next important point is that because the substances are insoluble, are in suspended form or in diffusible form, so when you are going to keep the mixture in a place, and before going to use, when you have to see it, you will find all the ingredient present in the substance that usually settle down. So before starting to use it, you have to shake it well, and then you have to use. So this is about the mixture. So this is all about the mixture. Now we have to go through the points about the disadvantages as well as the advantages of the mixture. Regarding advantages of the mixtures are concerned, they are quickly effective when you are comparing with the solid dosage form of the medicine, like pills, like tablets, like bolus. So liquid form of the drug like mixture are quickly effective than the solid dosage form like tablet, like pills, like bolus, because first it is going to dissolve there at the surrounding where the drug is going to absorb, and then it will act. Whereas if the substance is itself a liquid, this is only going to spread where it is going to be absorbed from the site of absorption for its systemic activity. So that is why the mixture are fastly active than the solid dosage form, and this is also easy to swallow. Why? Because when we are going to see, compare with the solid like tablet, like pills, this is going to stuck while swallowing. So this is not problem with the mixture or the liquid, aqueous liquid preparation, medicinal preparation. So therefore easy to swallow. Next point is that the substance, if the substance that are usually in dry form, the substance that are in dry form is going to produce pain. So how you have to use it in dry form? So the dry substance, if this dry substance is going to produce pain, so you have to make such type of preparation that is not going to produce any pain. For that you have to make it the preparation in liquid form like mixture. So the substances are potassium iodide and potassium bromide are usually producing pain when the substance in dry form. So therefore we have to use these potassium iodide and potassium bromide in liquid form like in mixture. And also if the substance is diffused form like light kaolin and bismuth salt suspension, then for that we have to make it suspension, we have to make it mixture. So this light kaolin and bismuth salt are used in form of mixture. So these are the advantages of the mixture. Now in these advantages, this efficacy as compared to solid dosage form is important. Easy to swallow is important. Then the dry state of the substance that produce pain, that is this is important. And the last one is that if a substance itself a liquid, so you are not able to make it the solid, so you have to use it in the liquid form. So you have to use it in the mixture, because mixture is itself a liquid. So liquid medicinal form, liquid substances like chloroform and volatile oil that are in liquid form. So we have to make the medicinal preparation, pharmacy preparation in liquid form like mixture, and then we have to use it. So these are the advantages we have discussed. Now we have to go through the disadvantage. If you are going to go through the disadvantages of mixture that we already discussed earlier, that the life is short as compared to solid dosage form. So the shelf life of the drug in mixture form are less than the solid dosage form. So this is important. So you are making it in liquid form, so this become big bulky. So if it is bulky and you are going to keep in the container like glass, then the entire container may break. And this the last point is this: the odor, smell is usually unpleasant, and taste is also unpleasant. So therefore these are the disadvantages of mixture. Among these all the disadvantages, the disadvantage about the short life and bulky and breakage is important. And now we have to go through the preparation of the compounding and dispensing of the mixture, or preparation of the mixture. In this we are going to discuss only two mixture. One is we are going to call alba mixture or mistura alba. Mistura is for the mixture and alba means white. Because the mixture is white in color, so its name is Mistura alba. So we are going to compound and dispense the Mistura alba, and about 30 ml we are going to prepare. So we are going to prepare 30 ml of Mistura alba. That is why this is called white in color, so that is why it is called alba mixture. And because it contains salt, so this is called saline mixture. Because it contains salt like magnesium sulfate, and magnesium sulfate is the main constituent, so that is why we are calling it the magnesium sulfate mixture. So synonym name of Mistura alba are saline mixture because it's salt in nature. Then because this is containing main constituent magnesium sulfate, so this is called magnesium sulfate mixture. So now we have to go through the composition for the preparation of 30 ml of alba mixture. So main constituent of this one is the magnesium sulfate. So we are taking the magnesium sulfate 2 gram for preparation of 30 ml of the alba mixture. And for making this magnesium sulfate that is going to diffuse with the magnesium sulfate, we are going to take the one more component, that is the magnesium carbonate. So what is the function of magnesium carbonate along with antacid? The main important point, this is going to act as a diffusible solid. So it will diffuse very easily with the magnesium sulfate, and this is also going to help to make it in the suspension form. So main constituent of this alba mixture 30 ml is the magnesium sulfate and the magnesium sulfate. After that magnesium carbonate, and we are using the peppermint oil because peppermint oil is used as an anti-flatulent, and also this is going to helps to give some flavor, good flavor to the mixture, so it look good while taking it. So this is very, very important. And last, we are going to make the 30 ml volume by adding the distilled water. So there are three components in this. The main constituent of the alba mixture are magnesium carbonate 1 gram, magnesium sulfate 2 gram, 0.1 ml peppermint oil, and last we are going to add the distilled water to make it final volume 30 ml. And what is the function of this? Magnesium carbonate and magnesium sulfate both are antacid. Both magnesium carbonate, magnesium sulfate are antacid, and magnesium carbonate is a diffusible solid, and magnesium sulfate is also a laxative action. The laxative action are the laxatives are the agent which are going to relieve from the mild constipation, and it is going to help to remove the bowel present in the GI tract. So this is very, very important. Regarding peppermint oil is concerned, peppermint oil is going to remove the gas of the GI tract and also its formation. So this is called antiflatulent and carminative. So now we have to go through the procedure of preparation. So regarding procedure of preparation is concerned, first we are going to take the magnesium carbonate, and that magnesium carbonate we are going to make it the powder form in the mortar and pestle, and thereafter we are directly mix this magnesium carbonate with the peppermint oil. So magnesium carbonate is going to mix with the peppermint oil, and in the another container we are going to take the magnesium sulfate, triturate it well, and in that we are going to add the distilled water about 10 to 20 ml, and in this after making the suspension or solution of magnesium sulfate, and in another container the solution of the or suspension of the magnesium carbonate with the peppermint oil. Now we are going to add magnesium carbonate with peppermint oil with the magnesium sulfate slowly to form a smooth creamy consistency, and thereafter we are pouring the mixture of magnesium carbonate, magnesium sulfate and peppermint oil in the measuring cylinder, and by pouring the distilled water to make the final volume 30 ml, and this is going to be ready pharmacy preparation, and that are used to remove the carminative. So what is the use of this Alba mixture? We are going to remove the mild constipation. So this is used for the treatment of mild constipation. Also, because the component like magnesium carbonate and magnesium sulfate are antacid, so we are going to use as an antacid in digestion. That is also you have to call it hyperacidity, and if there is acidity along with tympani and blood, then you have to use this Alba mixture, because the component like peppermint oil is going to act as a carminative and antiflatulent. Means carminatives are those agents that are going to remove the gas from the GI tract, whereas the antiflatulents are going to relieve from the gas formation. And so that is why the therapeutic use of this Alba mixture, because of the component, as per the component or as per the constituent present in the Alba mixture, this is the antacid, so we are going to use as antacid in digestion, also in hyperacidity, also in the tympani and blood, because the gas is formed in the animal, and therefore to relieve the formation as well as evacuation of the gas, we are going to use the component like mixture like Alba mixture. So this is all about the Alba mixture. Now we have to go through the second and the last preparation. We are going to prepare the another carminative mixture, that we are going to call it the alkaline stomachic mixture. Alkaline stomachic mixture. So every term is important, so we have to prepare again the same volume 30 ml. We are going to prepare the carminative mixture, and that is the alkaline in nature. So one alkaline constituent must be there, and because stomachic are the agent, stomachic means stomachic are the agent, the chemical, the drug that are going to help in the stomachic are the agent that are going to increase the peristaltic movement, and therefore it helps in the digestion, and it increase the appetite. So it also called appetizer. So it is used as a appetizer. So this is not only going to increase the gastric activity, but it also helps to remove the gastric content. And now we have to go through because this is alkaline in nature, so one alkaline compound is there, so only one alkaline compound is there, and that is soda bicarb or baking soda. So soda bicarbonate or baking soda, and because of presence of this component, we are calling it the alkaline stomachic mixture. Stomachic are the agent that is going to increase the gastric motility and help helps in the digestion and increase the appetite of the animal. And this soda bicarb is alkaline in nature, so this is going to be used as an antacid. So the soda bicarb is systemic antacid, that means that is also absorbed systemically, and therefore it is called systemic antacid, and also used as a urine alkalizer. So this is very, very important. Now, other than soda bicarbonate or baking soda, we are using the other component, like the two more component is there, but the main active constituent is soda bicarb. That the other constituent is tincture of cardamom. So other constituent, cardamom means elaichi, so we are using its tincture, and because it is the complex one, so we are going to call the compound tincture of cardamom, and we are taking the 2 ml. And the function of this cardamom tincture is to relieve the gas and remove the gas, as well as the removal of the gas is called carminative, and a stomachic, which increase the gastric motility. So therefore the compound tincture of cardamom is not only relieving from the gas and evacuating the gas, but also it is also going to increase the peristaltic movement of the GI tract, and therefore this is mild antispasmodic, coloring and flavoring agent. The cardamom flavor is good, so that is why this is a coloring and flavoring agent. Other than that, we are also using the simple syrup. So simple syrup is the important one of the important constituent also present in the is the carminative mixture. So simple syrup that we are going to use after soda bicarb or compound tincture of cardamom, we are also using the syrup. So syrup that this is going to produce the soothing action and also going to give the good taste. So the main purpose of adding in soda bicarb or alkaline mixture or alkaline stomachic mixture, we are putting cardamom, tincture of cardamom, as well as the simple syrup to make it good in flavor. Cardamom is a flavoring agent, so the patient who is taking it not feel bad, so it is going to give the good taste. That is why the compound, and not only that, this is a carminative, that is the relieving the flatulence, and also stomachic, and the simple syrup is only soothing action on the GI tract and good in taste, so therefore it is using. And the final volume 30 ml we are going to make by adding the distilled water, by keeping these all ingredient in measuring cylinder to make the final volume of the mixture by adding 30 ml of distilled water. Now we have to go through the procedure of making. So soda bicarbonate we are going to keep in the mortar and pestle and triturate it, and thereafter we are going to mix it with the distilled water. After mixing soda bicarb with the distilled water, now we are going to add the syrup in the same container or mortar and pestle, and thereafter we are going to we are going to add the tincture, the final component, and we are going to shake it and keeping in the measuring cylinder and make the final volume 30 ml by adding the distilled water. So where we are going to use therapeutic use? So therapeutic use of the mixture, which mixture? Carminative mixture or alkaline stomachic mixture, for expulsion of gases from the GI tract, because the cardamom is the anti-flatulent, it relieves from the gas and also relieving the gas. So this is also used as a flatulent dyspepsia and mild antispasmodic. So this is all about the practical class. In next practical class we are going to discuss next pharmacy preparation. That's all.